Okay, so in this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add more pages and how to add a menu to your page so you can click between your different pages. So let's come over to here. Let's make sure we save it, and let's create some more pages. This one's going to be portfolio. Next one is going to be photos. Enter. And the final one is going to be contact. So, I'm going to come back to our A master, and I'm going to add a menu. So we come object, menu, and I'm going bar, and just click once. And you can see it automatically populates this bar with all of our current pages. So whenever we add a page, the bar will be updated on all of our pages. So let's just put it here and extend it to the whole page, and just make sure that the header is moved down to the bottom of this, and let's just make sure that's on the bottom. Okay, so now we can click preview, and we can jump between the different pages. You may notice that I have I've redone some of the images. So with the camera, I just came over to Photoshop and added a gradient overlay to the image, and the background I just put a hue and saturation down to 0, and same with all of these ones. And I thought it gave it a more kind of, I don't know, photographic feel, which is what I'm after. So, so you're quickly going to come over to the A master and website, and just going to type. Make sure this is kind of I'm going to change this actually. I'm going to go to Myriad Pro. No, not Myriad. Myriad Pro, and then put a bold on it. And then I'm going to type a colon. Space colon actually, and I'm just going to make it make it bigger. Sometimes it shifts things, so let's just add. Okay, so let's just make it bigger. Then add the colon. And now on each page, so I'm going to come to the home page, and I'm going to type home. Control A. I'm going to change this to Myriad Light, Pro Light, which is down here somewhere. Myriad, we'll read that a second ago. Myriad Pro Light. Make it the same size, come back here, check the size. 44. So let's come over here. Make sure it's at white. Here. Change size to 44. And oops, let's just change the font again. I think I got that wrong. Mirror bright. Oh yeah, condensed. There we go. And I might add some extra letter spacing here. Although actually, sorry, I changed my mind again. Let's come back to Myriad Pro, and let's come back to the A master. Let's add some more letter spacing here because it's a bit jumbled, a bit too close. There we go. So now we have letter spacing of 2. So I'm going to come back to the home and also add, yeah, okay, so they've both got letter spacing of 2 now. So I'm simply going to line this up like so. I think just zoom in a bit using the zoom function here, and I'm just going to make sure it's on the same line. That looks pretty good. Okay, so just magnifying, and let's go, whoops, press Alt and click out. Okay, so now we're going to copy, go to our next page, which would be, oops, There's that. Next page, it should be portfolio. Control Shift Alt V. Change this again to portfolio. Muse. Photos. Control Shift Alt V. Get a bit bigger. Change this to photos. And Control Shift Alt V. Change this to contact. Okay, so that's about it for this episode, and next episode I'm going to go over creating a contact form for your contact page using HTML. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.